Buongiorno a tutti. Come si dice cappuccino? Yeah. You might realize we are in Italy. We had a long night. We slept in the kids' playing area. It was nice. We put all our safety gear back on, Jesus, and it's hot. But never mind, we're in Brindisi. We're gonna ride straight to Bari to a BMW Motorrad dealership because we need to change one tire in that one, and we need to check the how you call it, the quick shifter on my one. So from Brindisi straight to Bari, 67 miles. Peace. We just missed a very interesting stuff. Artie just spotted a fella on a scooter and in one hand holding a tray with some coffees on it. So anyway, we are at the BMW Motorrad in Bari and it looks posh. So we're going inside to see if we can change the tires on Artie's bike. So we left the bikes for the BMW and we went on the street for something to eat. I don't know how it's called, but look at it. See why I'm fluffy? That's why. Boy, oh boy. If in Greece, hold on, the car is coming.
Get out of the way.
If in Greece we had rocks on the road, in Italy we left Bari in a rush to cross on the other side to go to Amalfi?
Yeah,
Amalfi. She's always right, she's my wife. So we're going to Amalfi, but we went a bit on the motorway and the motorway is boring and it's expensive in Italy. So we took the back roads. But if in Greece we had rocks falling from the mountains on the road and that was a bit of a challenge for us, here, Jesus Christ, like somebody put a plow to the bloody road. Come on, Italy, you can do better than that. I mean, that's a challenge. wheels is fantastic, and I'm telling you why. Because it's fantastic because it doesn't matter where you sleep, how you come, how many days you spend on the camping site and all that. Life on two wheels can show you different parts of the country, different parts. You know, not everyone can see them. Everyone can visit like tourist places and all this, but traveling to the real part of the country, the countryside, is just amazing. And in the end of the day, if you end up in places like this, it's just like a win-win situation. The only thing that is missing here, to be honest with you, is a nice pizza and a beer. And then maybe another beer. And we'll see what tomorrow brings. But
Let's go then.
And the pizza is here. Pizza autentico.
We should wait until we get our food.
This is the flame producer.
This is for the titanium exhaust.
Picante. Ecco la pizza. Basta. I only had one beer. Now. Jesus, I'm tired. Yeah, pretty much. So probably we're gonna go and look for some dessert in town. And it was a long night and a long day. So